Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make egg muffins like McDonald's. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and grease a 12-cup muffin tin. Chop fillings small for even cooking and measure cheese and meat to ensure balanced bites. Whisk eggs with 2 tablespoons milk per egg and season lightly with salt and pepper. Fill cups 2/3 full, bake until set, then cool briefly before removing to keep shape and texture perfect. Start by prepping ingredients and organizing a mise-en place to streamline the process. Cook bacon or sausage until fully done and drain excess fat on paper towels. Chop bell peppers, spinach, or onions into small pieces so they cook quickly inside the muffin. Grate cheddar or American cheese finely to distribute flavor evenly. Beat eggs with measured milk and salt, then fold in fillings gently to avoid overmixing and maintain fluffiness. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep sharing useful recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum cleans crumbs and grease spots while you relax, and voice control makes it feel almost like it knows when breakfast is served. It's a small kitchen hero that saves cleanup time so you can cook more often. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Fill muffin cups consistently and tap the tray gently to remove air bubbles for even texture. Bake until centers are firm when gently shaken and a toothpick comes out clean, which prevents soggy middles. Let muffins cool on a wire rack to avoid condensation that makes them soggy in storage. Freeze on a tray, then transfer to a resealable bag labeled with date. Reheat from frozen in a toaster, oven, or microwave for quick breakfasts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.